Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Abusive Brat Refuses to Leave Boyfriend's Home, Ends Badly.
This reason right now.
Drop it. Whatever you got in your hand, drop it right now. Stop! Baby, send me some units now. Drop it right now. Drop it. I don't care. No. Stop. Stop.
Why?
Stop.
Get out!
Stop. Stop.
No, I'm not gonna do it!
Stop. Stop.
Gabby!
Stop. Stop.
Stop! Dude!
Baby, send me some units.
No, please. Stop! Gabby, stop, bro. They're trying to be nice, bro. You want to go to jail?
Stop.
You want to go to jail? Relax.
Put your hands behind your back.
Relax. Oh my God. Stop! No! Be logical.
Stop.
Be logical.
Stop. No arrest.
Be logical.
Stop. Stop.
Dude,
Give
stop.
Stop.
Why? Why you gotta be like this?
Stop.
Why?
Stop.
Just listen. One
Stop.
time.
No, now you're under arrest.
Listen,
Stop.
you're under arrest now, bro. Why?
Stop.
Why are you stupid?
Go inside, please. Just go
I'm
inside.
sorry. Why, Gabby?
Put your hands on your back.
Come on. I try to get
Put
you.
your hands on your back. Stop.
Stop. What are you fighting for? Don't be that
We're
person.
fighting. Send me some units.
Oh my God. I don't want this for you, but you gotta act dumb for what reason?
Stop. Stop.
You
Put
did
your hands
this.
behind your back.
You call the police on me. Why?
Let's go. No, you're going back.
All right, Victor 31, we're out here. Everything's under control now, one in custody.
You have reached the maximum time for
They left, and she keeps coming in, trying to threaten to break with the door, and I'm trying to be, you know, I get it, we're in an argument, be cordial.
Is
that yours or hers? It's hers.
All right, just leave it for now.
Okay, it's all on my phone.
If you're satisfied with the message,
I'm not gonna push her.
to listen to your message, press 2. To erase and re-record,
Nothing on my
press
end. I'm not gonna hit somebody, you know?
We're done. Keep switcher. Stay against the car. Stop. Relax. Stay against the car.
No, because you came back. You did this.
I saw you were banging the door.
You left and you decided to come back, so this is on you.
This is your fault.
It's not my fault. It is. No, it's you left and everything was peaceful, but you decided to continue.
Stop moving.
Stop. I told you to drop it and you didn't drop it.
He came at me.
No, so you actually want to swing at him. That's why. So stop.
Stop moving.
Stop making me move. Then I'll stop moving, please. I don't want to be a bitch, but fucking Jesus Christ, bro. Hey, call him up. Call him and tell
Stop. Yeah, you go in the car. Sit on. Huh?
That's a battery involved in this or no?
No, she when I got here, I saw her yelling through the door. She had that middle stick, whatever it is. She was banging on the door. He came out. He's about to come out. She starts swinging again against the door. And so that's when I grabbed onto her and then put her in cuffs. And then when she started like flailing around.
No, I saw
And
it.
yeah, I know that stuff. So we're tussling in there for a second, and eventually we're just fighting. He tried to help,
Did
but
she hold the bar to him when she was inside?
no. So she was outside when I got here, and she had that in her hand. She was banging on the door when he came out and opening the door. As he was opening the door, she was hitting the door again, so almost at him. But it was all at the door though.
Oh, I saw when I came in. I just grabbed her and pulled her out. So I'm not sure what happened before.
Yeah, so that's what I saw when I came in.
What charges we got so far?
Criminal damage. If there's any damage to the door.
The reason why I asked if she threatened him at all with the bar is because it's domestic battery, right? If there's a threat, you know. So
I'm gonna talk to him because I haven't talked to him yet, so and see what happened.
defending her,
Yes.
saying nothing got physical.
So what happened right before I got here?
Same shit as always, but then when I get...
So walk me through the beginning before she came,
after you guys left, you know, she kept pulling off and she's like, I'm gonna come in and break the window, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this pipe.
That pipe. She called you before she got here?
Yeah, multiple times. I'm like, dude, listen, just go home. Don't make it worse than it has to be. I don't want to fucking have her get in trouble or anything, you know?
Okay.
But, you know, you keep bothering me, and I'm trying to be cordial. Just go home. You know, I'll see you later. I'm gonna come to our house anyways after. But you're gonna be coming over here, yelling, trying to fucking bang on the door, threatened to break a window.
Yeah,
I'm like, bro,
she
you
just-
called the police on me for no reason.
She said that to you over the phone before she got here.
On text, I have text.
Text, okay.
Yeah. You know, she called the police. She called you guys on me earlier for no reason. You guys showed up for what? I don't. What she called you for?
So the call was from you, probably.
Yeah. Well, no, the first call when you
Oh,
guys
the first one,
came.
yeah. But we're talking about right now.
Yeah,
though,
okay,
so.
but she called me.
Yeah.
She called you guys for no reason, and then I call you guys. I'm like, listen, I just want her off the property. You know,
Okay.
I don't want to deal with problems right now. I'm over here. I worked a full day.
So before I got here, was she ever at all inside the building?
No. I opened the door myself after she tried to threaten to do
So was
something.
that the point when I was already here?
Yeah,
So
pretty much. And I told her, I was like, dude, the cops are coming. Go home. Like, f off. You know, don't get in trouble. You come in, you know.
Okay.
And she's over here trying to resist arrest.
Do you think that she was going to try swinging at you when you opened the door? Because I saw her hit the door.
What gets her in less trouble? No, I don't care if she's gonna swing at me.
Well, I'm asking you, though. Do you think
No,
she's
I don't think she's gonna swing at me.
All right. Did you want to pursue charges against this? Because
No, I want her to go home. Just go
Okay.
home. That's all I want. I don't want to pursue charges. I want her to go home. Sorry for wasting you guys' time, but her home.
Because I don't want
immediately-
her coming back again and
Of
doing this
course.
all over again.
Her home, if anything, if someone could patrol here for 30 minutes.
Then don't call the cops, man. You're wasting everyone's time. We're seeing this more and more. We're seeing this a lot, more and more. You call the cops, you don't want to press charges. Don't call the cops. Deal with it yourself. Deal with your problems yourself. We have been seeing this a lot. It's been at least once a week. It's been at least once a week we've seen a video similar to this. The person calls the cops, doesn't want to press charges or doesn't want anything done, doesn't want them arrested, whatever. Don't call the cops. Deal with it yourself. If she got a lead pipe and she gonna go upside your head, take your ass whooping, man. Don't call the cops. Deal with it. Just deal with it. You don't want nothing done. This is a complete waste of time, man. So now the cops gotta like pry things out of you to see, you know, was there threats or whatever to try and get her, because they ain't really got nothing too much right now. They ain't really got nothing. You know what I'm saying? Criminal damage to property. Okay, well, if you don't want to press charges on the door or whatever, or give an estimate how much the door might cost, what you got? You got nothing. He don't want to do nothing. So this is a waste of time.
Until she leaves the premises.
So that's the thing, though. We could be here all night, and she might come back in the morning, or a couple hours
I'm
later
not
after that.
planning to stay here all night, but just tell her, listen, get the home now before you go to jail. Like, this is serious, okay? And let her go home and let her do her own thing, and that's it. Let's get her the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
I don't want to pursue any charges. You know, I'm sorry for having you guys out again. I don't want to press any charges.
Okay.
So, hey man, when you called, you want her removed from the property.
I just want to remove. I don't want her to get arrested. I don't want anything. She overreacted. She's, you know.
And she refused to leave.
Yeah. Okay. But, you know.
You told her that already.
Minimal. I don't want her to go to jail. I don't want anything. Okay. Just send her on her way and tell her to get the fuck out of here. Or
Well, obviously,
she's going to jail.
that's obviously changed based on her reaction.
Exactly.
once we got here,
Because, like,
so.
I told her, I was like, what are you being stupid? The officer asking you, now you're fighting the officer, you're going to get arrested, and you're going to be a statistic on fucking body cam, act like a retard.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
I understand the law and everything,
All right.
but she wants to act
You got
tough.
all of his info?
Yeah, I have his info.
Yeah, if you want
Okay.
my info or anything.
Cool. All right, let's bring her back.
Alrighty. So
This sounds like a guy who watches body cam videos. Yes, your lady is definitely going to be a statistic, you know, and unfortunately, so are you, because you are part of the statistic of calling the cops, but don't want to do anything. Okay, that's another category. All right. Yeah, she's acting like an animal, but you wasting the cops' time, man.
we are still going to be making an arrest.
Okay.
Just because based on the circumstances from today, we're still going to be arresting her, okay?
And what's the bond looking like?
No bond.
No bond, so just out, pretty much.
She's going to be going to county.
County.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just gonna leave tonight and everything?
Yeah, we're going to be taking her to Duke County Jail.
Gotcha. Okay.
Okay.
Her car, I don't know if you're gonna ask where her car is at.
I mean, yeah, I don't know where it is. We'll ask her right now
that's
and
fine.
see how it goes, okay?
Yeah, sorry guys.
All right, got a series of crazy questions to ask you.
I believe it.
Some of them are going to be funny, but mind you, I'm reading right off of here.
No. Hate to bother you guys. I'm so sorry for this.
You guys live together?
Practically, but not really. No.
Have you guys ever had an order of protection against each other?
No.
Has she previously, that's in the past, not today, hit, slapped, or kicked you or someone else?
No.
Threatened to harm the police if they were called?
No.
Fantasize about harming or killing someone?
No.
Harmed or threatened to harm pets or other animals?
Nope.
Threatened to harm you if you called the police?
Nope.
Strangled you?
Nope.
Threatened to kill you?
Nope.
Threatened to kill herself?
No.
Threatened you with a weapon?
No.
Prevent you from seeking assistance?
Nope.
Does she have access to firearms?
No.
Between you and her, have you guys ever recently experienced any big changes, separation, divorce, job loss, death in the family, anything like that?
No.
Does she abuse alcohol or drugs?
No.
Does she make contact with you in any way, shape, or form?
What do you mean contact fate?
Like hate you, yeah.
No.
Does she threaten you?
I mean, no. I don't want to say. I'll say no.
Yeah.
What's going on with her? What's gonna?
I don't even know what they're charging her with, but based on the fact that I'm filling this out, it's gonna be some sort of domestic charges.
Okay.
So she's gonna get. There's not gonna be any bond. She's gonna get transported off to the county jail.
So county jail, no bonds. Pretty much she could leave immediately after.
She will
Right there,
spend the
the-
night at the county
night.
jail. She's got to see a judge,
No shit.
and then the judge will not give her a bond. He will release it on her signature more than likely.
Okay.
Can I talk to that guy just because I need to tell him what to do? The one who called the cops.
Your boyfriend?
Yes.
Oh, you guys can't talk right now.
No, I don't care about fucking talking to him. I just need him to. I just need to tell him what to do as far as the calls goes. Calling my mom and shit, please.
You're gonna be able to call your mom in 5 minutes. Why are you gonna have somebody else here?
I don't know. I've never been fucking arrested.
Yeah, give it a second. You can make as many phone calls as you want.
Can you tell him one message? Can you tell him one message to me?
Wait, what?
From me? Can you tell him one message from me? Can you tell him to go f himself, please?
Verbatim?
No, not literally.
Gabby, where's your car at?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Go look for him.
Where'd you park it at?
I'm not telling you.
In the back?
Nope.
Is that
Why am I being fucking arrested? Literally, I understand what it seems like, but the only reason that I've gotten to this point is because of him. No other fucking reason mentally that I'm here other than him.
What kind of car do you drive?
I'm gonna tell you that. I drive a black Honda Accord.
This is a Lexus then.
I don't know. Maybe the neighbors.
Do you guys live together?
No.
Try to keep your head up so you can breathe better.
I don't want to breathe better. I just don't want to be in this situation. I don't know why the f it always
You've
just
been together.
AT&T.
The suspect was charged with disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, criminal damage to property, and domestic violence. Leave a like if you enjoy.
Unbelievable. Yeah. All I gotta say is, brother man, run. Run, run, run. She is cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, man. She's nuts. Run. That's it. Just run. That and stop calling the cops. Cause you're wasting their time. I ain't gonna lie. You're wasting your time. You're wasting the cops' time. If you don't want to do nothing about it, then let her bust you upside the head with that pipe and keep it moving, man. Take your ass whooping, and that's it. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.